Yeah, me just give Jerry film just away me varnish and spray paint. Yeah, man, he love it just out there.
So you go on, man?
You know what I mean? Remember, say me a jack of all trades.
But Magnus, you know, say you boot a big bread, man.
What you say?
You boot a big bread, man, not you?
What you mean, a big bread?
It's a big bread, it's like, you know, up me like say, it actually some food.
Then food come with both?
Yeah, man, you see it.
Why? Oh, I done it, But it look like he had like one next 4 weeks.
No, man, you need to change it. You need to change
it.
Man.
Man.
A good work in a Magnus, man.
Right? And my sister, where they are England, send it down for me from England. And you know, say England things are good things. Then good like gold. They're not really so done. So, let me tell you now. I bet you not tell me how long me have that boat.
How long you
have that boat 26 years.
What?
No, 25 we now.
Yeah.
25. Me have the boat 26 years. And it chang like a lion same way. I mean, you know, me bucket, but me never see say it's so bad though. But see ya? Like it, why? Like you want to bite the finger and take the finger from me. The bad fit true, man. Make the sweat good. The top of the boat good, so me can just get to a shoemaker, the bottom of the boat. And put one like one Timberland boot bottom pan.
Yeah.
Five Timberland them strong.
Yeah, man. And put the iron in a tip part.
Yes. A iron mount.
A iron mount.
I'm not telling you, I'm happy and fill up them, you so kick back the night.
Okay.
This is one I first sweet boat. Man. Yeah, man. This a boat and already for done, man. For all this one, you know, a little Patex.
What kind of brand it be? What kind of brand it be?
Brand. Sweet brand.
Sweet brand.
Yeah, sweet brand. Box Swede.
Box Swede,
yeah. Yeah, white thing now. This about a faithful, you know, left me a road. As simple as you see him out of and like you want yam your finger, you know, yam the finger.
But you need to get a new boot, man.
I get the new boot, but me prefer fix this too.